Welcome back. Well, it has been a cool day, but a rainy one nonetheless. We only reached 80 degrees today here in Hattiesburg. 73 was this morning's low, so not much variation. Picked up just under an inch and a half of rain. It has been a rainy weekend. Look how much above us we are. We are 8.62 inches. That is just a mistype. 8.62 inches above where we should be for this time of year. Yeah, we don't need any more rain. Unfortunately, we're probably going to get a little bit more over the next couple of days. So we have a front starting to approach our area, so we could have a little bit of development along with it. We could have a few thunderstorms as well stick around. Ones we have the west-southwest with temperatures in the lower 70s. And for your Tuesday, again, more showers and thunderstorms. Humid overall, still moisture kind of streaming up from the Gulf of Mexico. That is until this cool front starts to move on through. Now, tomorrow it's going to start moving into the northern portions of the state. It'll start to sink down to the south, but as it does, it's going to start to wash out and weaken. So overall, don't expect our temperatures to change too much, but they could lower a couple degrees. That'd be nice. The good news is behind it, some drier air is in store. That's really going to start to knock down those heat index values. Highs for tomorrow, and again, right near 90 degrees. Could have some 80s as well. Winds out of the southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour, and some showers and thunderstorms staying around with us. And again, with all that moisture in the air, we're talking heat indices above 100 degrees yet again. Yeah, just get ready because next couple days are going to be still those muggy summer days that we unfortunately are kind of getting used to at this point. Radar satellite over the past couple of hours, again, showers, thunderstorms moving on through, so we picked up probably over an inch and a half at this point. It hasn't officially updated yet, but with these storms moving on through, again, the almanac updates about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're still seeing some redevelopment down or back to our west. Again, these can move on in. Still just plenty of moisture, again, down to the south of this front, so that's what we're watching out for. We'll put one model into motion. Now, this is a model from this morning. We've had some data issues with the latest one, so this is not exactly correct. It didn't initialize, is what we call it, correctly. You notice you didn't see again, all that blob of thunderstorms over our area. But as we go into tomorrow, they've been relatively consistent, trying to keep us a little bit clearer, but we're still talking chances for thunderstorms popping up. Now, it won't be as widespread as what we've seen over the past couple of days, but we'll still have to watch out for it nonetheless. Water vapor imagery, again, you can kind of see the front on up to our north. There's one complex going through Arkansas and Missouri right now, and just all this moisture moving on up from the Gulf. But back behind it, we've got that dry air. So that'll give us a couple days of some nice conditions, temperatures right near normal. And then all eyes start to go to the Atlantic Ocean because we have Tropical Storm Dorian right now. Now, models are still kind of having a hard time resolving this. We're still a ways away from when this would impact anybody here in the United States. But there are two paths right now that it could take. It could take one that goes up the east coast, which has been what most models have been trying to go towards. Latest models, though, are trying to actually bring it into the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll have to watch out for that. If it does, that will most likely impact us. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be a hurricane, tropical storm, tropical depression. Just going to have moisture nonetheless and probably bring us some rain. Again, that would be Sunday through Tuesday. We'll be watching that. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. We extend this on out. Temperatures get back to the 80s for Wednesday and Thursday. It'll be in the 90s for Friday, Saturday. More rain on the way for your weekend into next week as temperatures get back below normal.